How to remove Gmail account from YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove Gmail account from YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to remove your Google account from the YouTube app, first of all, understand that there are two types of devices, iOS and Android. So if you are an iOS user, because your iPhone runs from your Apple ID, your Google account is not compulsory. Hence, you can remove the Google or the Gmail account from the YouTube app. So if I just come to my profile page, if you were an iOS, when you went to the switch account toggle here, you would find one new option here known as use YouTube signed out, but only for iPhone users. But unfortunately on Android, that's not how it's going to work, because Android needs Google account to run and function. So if you remove your Google account, it will get removed from all the devices, which means if you want to remove your Gmail or Google account from YouTube, you have to remove that account from your whole Android phone itself. So to do this, just tap on the gear icon from the top right, or you can just go to the switch account toggle here. Under it, you'll find one of the options that says manage accounts on this device. So tap on manage accounts, you'll be taken to this page. Here, simply make sure to select the Gmail account that you want to remove, tap on remove accounts, and tap on remove to remove that particular account. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then remove your Gmail account from YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.